So I think we can all relate to the constant doom scrolling that has been happening lately. And if you can't relate, good for you. But I figured I would try something new, a new activity to get myself off of my phone. So I personally love crocheting, but I don't know how to knit. Not even, well, I know how to cast on, and that's it. So today we are going to learn how to knit from good old YouTube University. So the yarn I'm choosing today is just this red heart yarn in the color. Okay, there's 3 different colors. I'm assuming that's because it's like speckly. It's called Buff Fleck Mouchette Chamois Mota Beige. I'm sure I said all of that perfect. And then the knitting needles that I'm going to use, because they're the literal only ones I have, are these little ones here. I got them as a gift. These are a 5.5 millimeter. Is that good for this? I don't know, but they're the only ones I have, so. Let's begin. Okay, so I know you're supposed to start off with a slip knot, so I already did that. So how I learned how to cast on was to have my opposite hand wrap the yarn around it, then take this one and go underneath, and then do that over and over. So wrapping it around, going underneath, wrapping it around, underneath. I don't know how many times I'm supposed to do this, but we're just gonna make a little square for now while we're practicing. And apparently, we're learning the continental way, whatever that means. I don't really know what this is for, but apparently it has a purpose because I feel like a lot of knitting needles have that. Anybody knows, let me know. I'm just gonna stop there because that seems to be covering a lot of my needle, so. All right, take it away, Norman.
So here's how to turn your needles around. Trust the back of your hand and pick up your knitting needle. I will hold the knife first.
Hold a knife?
This time, if it isn't, you can hold.
Okay, inserting it in.
Wrap the yarn like this. And now you need to pull the yarn through the first loop. So use your
Wait, back up.
as a wrap the working yarn around the needle counterclockwise. Use your
Whoa.
index finger as a guide.
I don't think I did that right.
Let's do it
What?
first loop up through.
Put it in the hole. Go around. Nope. Insert. Wrap around counterclockwise. Girl, what? Insert. Wrap around. How do you get it to stay on? Ooh, he's doing slow-mo. Okay. What? How do you get it to stay? In the hole. In the hole. Back around. Oh, baby. I think I did it. Okay. Now what? Wrap it around. Oh no! Oh no! I think I did it again. Okay. Am I supposed to take this off of the... Is this supposed to come off? Okay, I think I'm supposed to take this off.
Let's do it a couple more times in slow.
Get off. Get off. Okay, I think that's right. This is so hard. In the hole. Please. And thank you. Okay. And then around, and this comes, oh! We're getting somewhere. Okay, only a few more to go. We are making progress. I feel like my hands are already cramping though, which isn't great.
It should never ever cause you pain, so
Oh.
don't try it with brute force. Now,
Okay.
I got this.
Oh my gosh. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. I did it. Okay. First step done. Okay, so from the looks of it, it looks like, obviously I have an empty one now. I think I just start over. I'm supposed to switch hands, I think. And then do the exact same thing as I just did. So, okay. Let's do that. I'm gonna come back when I have a few more rows now that I'm basically a pro at this. So wish me luck.
One minute, 37 seconds later.
Oh no. I totally messed up. Shit. Uh-oh. I think I have to start over. I don't know what to do. R.I.P. Update. Look! Oh my goodness. I'm so proud of myself. Also, my first initial thoughts are that I'm pretty sure I know what this is for now. I think it's so that you can like make it really long. Maybe I'm wrong, but it has been a lifesaver because I feel like these are just so short that I've been so scared that all of them are just gonna fly right off and I'm gonna drop all the stitches. And if it didn't have this, I'd be worried about it falling off the other end. So at least I only have to worry about the top. That's been my main concern, is just keeping the loops on the hooks or on the needles. But other than that, I think I've got the hang of it. I don't really know how to make anything besides a square, obviously. I'm still new to this, but so I'm like, how far should I go with this? Should I just like make a scarf now or what? But I'm so proud of myself. It only, ugh, do I want to jinx myself? I was gonna say this is the restart from the last clip. So I haven't messed it up again yet, knock on wood. I do actually though, I want to learn how to do the stitch that's like the V's, because I personally like the way that looks the best. So maybe that's, I don't want to take this out though. I feel so proud of it. Okay, we'll figure it out. Give me 1 minute. Luckily my guy Norman also has the tutorial for the purl stitch, as they call it, which is the one that I was talking about with the V's. So we're gonna try that. So he was saying before we were always knitting with this working yarn behind. Now we're going forward, and instead of going in from this side, we're gonna go down, I guess. So like that. Oh gosh, this feels like I for sure am gonna drop a stitch or something. Okay, round 2, we're starting from scratch. We go, oh wait, I need to cast on, duh. That makes sense, okay. I'm not gonna do as many as I did last time because it ended up being bigger than I expected. And it was just a little bit hard to work with as a super beginner. We go down, counterclockwise. Oh, Oop, oop, through the loop. Oh, nope. I feel like I'm learning how to tie my shoes or something. Wait, what? What am I doing wrong? Up through that. Ouch. Up and over. Okay, I think I just have to remember to keep my working yarn on this side instead of on the back side. I think that's what is messing me up. Freaking tension. Dude, this one is so much harder than the other one. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm just... It's so tight. How do you not make it tight? Help. I don't know about this one. I'm losing patience. Okay. I really don't understand because I just keep pulling it tighter and tighter and I don't mean to and I don't know how to stop. Okay, I'm gonna take a break.